In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your birthday on X.com, which used to be Twitter, in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and easy process if you need to update your birth date on your profile, and I'll walk you through exactly where to click so you can do it without any confusion. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful social media guides. All right, let's get into it. First, log into your X.com account and, on the left-hand navigation menu, click on Profile. This will take you to your public profile page, where you can see your bio, posts, and account details. Once you're there, look over to the right side of your profile and click the Edit Profile button. This is where X lets you update your personal information, profile picture, display name, and other settings. After the edit screen opens, scroll down until you find the birth date section. When you see it, click Edit next to that section. X will then let you review or change the birthday details attached to your account. Now select your correct day, month, and year carefully. Make sure everything is entered correctly before you continue, because this information is tied to your account profile and should match the date you want displayed. Once you've confirmed the birthday is correct, go to the top right corner and click Save. That's it. Your birthday on X.com or Twitter should now be updated. It only takes a minute once you know where the settings are, and now you can confidently make the change yourself anytime you need to. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more step-by-step tutorials like this one.